Hello everyone, first we're gonna take two braids joining with the pony at the back, then adding some rubber bands into our pony, further making bow out of it and making two braids as well. Next we're gonna take a braid at one side, joining it with some more hair and making another braid, dividing the hair into two and making two ponies, one at each side, folding them into this beautiful heart. Next we're going to start by grabbing one side, making a braid and then joining it with our bow and taking the remaining hair, making braids out of it. Next we're going to make two braids, one at each side and then folding them into half and adding these colorful rubber bands. Next we're going to start by taking a ponytail and then taking some more hair. We're going to keep on adding these bow clips to it and then your hairstyle is ready. Next we're going to grab hair from one side, making a braid and then adding a rubber band. Then we're going to section it into two braids and convert it into this beautiful heart. Next we're going to start by taking a pony and then making a braid, further joining it with the remaining hair. Next we're going to take two braids made with these threads and then making them like a bun. Then taking the remaining hair and doing it similar like this and making two braids at each sides with the threads. Next we're going to take a tiny braid and then giving it a lifting effect, repeating the same with the other side and making two ponies. Next we're going to take a thin braid, joining some more hair with it and making a new braid. Then repeating the same with the other side, making another braid and joining it with the remaining hair like this and folding them. Next we're going to start by taking a braid and grabbing some more hair from the same side and making this beautiful heart. Next we're going to start by taking a pony at the back using this puffed rubber band. We're going to make a beautiful bun out of it and adding a rubber band. Then you can add any accessories as per your choice and it looks so pretty and beautiful. Next we're going to start by taking hair from one side, then making a braid with the remaining hair and folding it in half. Next we're going to make two braids, one at each side. Next we're going to start by dividing the hair into two and making a ponytail, further adding some more rubber bands to it and leaving them as it is. Next we're going to take two braids, folding them into bun and adding these beautiful rubbers.